All right. Welcome to Monday's daily recap. What happened today? First of all, I didn't trade this day today. Uh, Slept 15 hours, then woke up around 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, and then just started my morning routine and everything. So then then I saw New York taking this high, and I was not really interested because if you look, we had some early sellers over here, but the price never came back for this extreme block, neither for this. Like there was, check real quick. No, nope, nothing for me. So what happened? How did we start the week? We started the week by taking previous weekly highs, two previous weekly highs. We came deeper into the weekly order block, and we came into this daily fair value gap above these highs, above this candle internal high. Taking previous weekly highs, taking previous daily highs. We took previous daily high, we took previous daily low. What can we see here? This morning, we have this bullish structure from this low to this high, and we now reach discount. However, you can see this is an internal low that will be taken, also Asia low. I see that being taken. So as a forecast, I expect maybe price to come down and then continue up, or price to continue down and come deeper into the discount of our bullish range and continue down on our high time from bearish range. Then what can we see in 4-hour candle momentum? High momentum coming up, start of the week. Slow down again the wick after we took liquidity, and strong impulse down. There were no buyers at all. So I really see this low at least being taken, and maybe further down. Same on the 1-hour, barely any buyers, just some here, but nothing major. Then sellers continue and sellers will continue. What did we do? We took previous weekly highs. We took London high, Asian London high equals, all these highs equal. So if anything, you could have maybe looked for shorts from here. It's still mitigated. It was still mitigated. So yeah. And what did we see during London? Let's see. Got Asia highs. Yeah, Asia low. We had this bullish range going on. We took internal range liquidity by taking Asia New York low to the right, this New York low, and we took this liquidity. So if anything, we should anticipate on longs, and based on this range, we should anticipate on shorts, because we took this internal range liquidity to the left, and then we should expect like bearish momentum, which happened over here. This was Friday evening, so it's not it though it's a strong move, it's not strong volume or anything. Then market open, we have this 50-minute POI above Asia highs, which is following this bearish structure that's going on. Then coming down lower with this void above Asia high. We got the early sellers right here, early sellers. Then early sellers taken out, so this would have been a loss, really, which is unfortunate, and it's fortunate that it wasn't there. But yeah, could have been a loss. Let's see what else I can add to that to maybe prevent that loss. Nothing there. Not much. So it would have been a loss for me. Luckily, I wasn't there. And then during New York, there were some order flow trades. Maybe from the 15. I don't know. But there was nothing for me in terms of entry drill. Took this liquidity to the high. Now seeing price taking liquidity to the low. And either continue this bullish range or break bearish, and then we can look for shorts from here, which is what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna look for shorts from up here and maybe even trade the way up. Let's see what price gives me. Liquidity wise, we got some lows here to the downside that can be targeted. Yeah, liquidity is to the downside, not really. What else is here? Guess we took this internal high, respected the order block or the fair value gap. Downside it is for me right now, and it's strong until now. So let's see. This was the recap of the day. Went overpriced, what happened, why it happened, because liquidity to the upside, and we move from one liquidity pool to another liquidity pool. This was the internal range liquidity pool. It was enough to move price higher. Now hopefully we have enough taking liquidity to the upside to move price lower. That's what I'm looking at.